Do you have a family trip coming up? Today we are sharing tips on traveling on an airplane with kids. First, everyone carries a bag. Even the little ones can carry a size-appropriate bag that is filled with their activities and snacks. Backpacks or small rolling bags are the best option because it still leaves room for hand-holding in the crowded terminals. While I love when each child carries their own weight when traveling, don't be surprised if Dad ends up with the bag when they get tired. A last-minute bathroom break is a great idea for everyone before boarding the plane. If you are traveling with little ones, it's a great idea to seek out the family bathroom. If you are traveling with a toddler or a baby with a purchased plane seat, it's a great idea to bring an FAA-approved car seat on board to keep them safely in their seat and from wanting to roam the aisles on the plane. If the airline that you are flying has it, take advantage of family boarding, which allows you to board with your children 6 and under earlier than other passengers. This gives you an opportunity to take the extra time needed to get your kids settled on the plane. Instead of putting your bags in the overhead bin, keep your child's bag within arm's reach so that they can grab their activities and snacks with no problem. Speaking of snacks, make sure you pack plenty of them. You never know when you will encounter an extended delay while sitting on the plane, and a snacking child is a happy child. No one has time for the "I'm hungry" whining. Also, to help keep your child's ears from hurting, bring gum for the older kids, or suckers or a drink for the young ones. No matter what time of day you're traveling, it's a good idea to bring a blanket and or a pillow for your child for a quick nap. Headphones and a few activities are a good idea as well. On an airplane, it's no time to monitor screen time or game time. Remember, a busy and distracted child is usually a happy and quiet child. Don't forget about drinks. It's a great idea to bring your own on board, but if you depend on the airline beverages, ask for a cup with a lid, even for yourself. Here's how it goes. This is the high risk of spill. This is better. And if you bring your own bottle, this is the best. If not, you may have an entire cup of Sprite dumped on your lap like this poor dad and spend the entire flight with wet pants. The last thing is to check your baggage if you can, so that you can keep the carry-on baggage at a minimum so that you can focus on the kids. Southwest Airlines' free baggage policy is great for that. That's it. Those are some ways to make flying with your kids easier. Just don't forget to bring your patience for those things you can't plan for.